What is primary domain controller? Primary domain controller is a server used for managing users and groups on particular segment of local area network, that is LAN. There are thousands of interconnected servers which are responsible for hosting various applications, databases, etc. that are used by organization or customers. However, managing and controlling access to all these individual servers is inefficient and challenging. To address this, organization need to implement a system of primary domain controller. This server stores user information and access permissions for network resources. Then it provides a single access point for users to log on to network and gain access to resources. These servers ensure users have necessary credentials, that is user ID and password, and necessary permissions to access specific secondary points of entry like application server or database server. Let's understand it by example. Suppose in our corporate email system, to access email, employee put credentials which are then verified by a primary domain controller, and access is only granted if the user have permissions to access the email server. And once it is verified by primary domain controller, then access is granted to the appropriate email server without the need to re-log in again. All first entry should be authenticated to give access to secondary entry point, right? So once it is authenticated by primary domain controller, then there is no need to authenticate at a secondary point of entry, which is application database servers. Thank you.